Assignment step 5. Let's update the project. So first thing to do, we know that to update the project we have two ways: percentage completion or duration. It looks like at the moment they are only completed tasks, or 50% completion given in percentage. So we can just add the colon percentage complete if you don't already have it. Let's have a look. So after 2 weeks, the approval has been given. What does that mean? That means that the owner away is completed, the owner is back is completed, and the approval is completed. So those 3 tasks are completed. All materials purchased. Good work. So 100%, 100%, 100%, and it keeps showing me this. So by the way, the message that you see when it tells me there's a faster way to do it, so I can select them all and do them all at once. But I just, you know, for this training, I just wanted to do them one by one so it's clearer. The fence is 50% completed. So the fence is this task here. We just mark it at 50%. So good work. So that's a very quick overview of updating the task based on the assignment. So what you've noticed is the build that has been recalculated at 32%. That means that the build overall is 32% completed. So when you report back to management, instead of giving the completion of all this, you might want to say, well, purchase is finished and the build is 32% completed, and then that's enough information from them.